back to the French desk. So today we are going to begin with the last lesson, la dernière leçon of our book on Chante, part 1. That is the last chapter of class 6 syllabus. Without waiting further, let's begin with it. I hope you've enjoyed this journey of learning French with me so far for the past chapters, and today we are going to be doing the last chapter of class 6 finally after a really long time. I'm sorry for being irregular. I couldn't really make out time for making videos because of my college, but now that I have appropriate internet services and the time, I am trying to quickly complete class 6. So now let's begin lesson 10. Lesson 10. La famille d'Ala, that is the family of Alan. Now you should remember the first thing, that la famille here, it is a feminine noun. So whenever we talk of family, it is a feminine noun, la famille d'Ala of Alan. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about family members and what they're called in French and how do we describe other people in French. So now let's quickly read this small information here. Hey Paul, did you know that the old name of Paris was Lutetia? Hey Sarah, that is an interesting piece of information. Now let's read this paragraph given here. This is Ala Hugo. He is describing his family. J'ai une grande famille. He begins. J'ai une grande famille. Dans ma famille, il y a 7 membres. Mes grands-parents, mes parents, mon frère, ma soeur, et moi. Now I have a big family, he says. In my family, dans ma famille, il y a 7 membres. There are 7 members. My grandparents, my parents, mon frère, that is my brother, my sister, ma soeur, et moi, and me. Je m'appelle Ala Hugo. J'ai 11 ans. Je suis petit. My name is Ala Hugo. I am 11 years old and I am small. Je suis petit. Mon grand-père s'appelle Daniel Hugo. My grandfather's name is Daniel Hugo. Il a 66 ans. If you remember the numbers, this is 66 in English. So, il a 66 ans. Il est grand. He is tall. Ma grand-mère s'appelle Sylvie Hugo. My grandmother's name is Sylvie Hugo. Elle a 62 ans. She is 62 years old. Elle est jolie. She is a jolly person, a pretty person. Mon père s'appelle Martin Hugo. My father's name is Martin Hugo. Il a 42 ans. He is 42 years old. Il est beau. He is handsome. Ma mère s'appelle Florian Hugo. My mother's name is Florian Hugo. Elle a 40 ans. She is 40 years old. Elle est belle. She is beautiful. Mon frère Leo. His brother's name is Leo. Mon frère Leo a 10 ans. He is 10 years old. Il est gentil. He is gentle and kind. Et ma soeur and my sister Céline a 13 ans. She is 13 years old. Elle est mince. She is thin. J'aime ma famille. I love my family. So here we have come across different words. Let me quickly highlight them for you. So let's mark the adjectives we see here in red. So elle est mince here, is an adjective. Genteel is an adjective. Beau is an adjective. Ma mère, elle est belle is an adjective. Jolie, petit, grand. These are the adjectives that we read in this paragraph. Now, let's do the exercises that follow. I hope you've understood the meaning of the paragraph. It's quite easy. Répondez aux questions suivantes. Respond to the questions below. Comment s'appellent les parents de Ala? How do you name Alan's parents? I mean, what are the names of Alan's parents? I've written La mère d'Ala s'appelle Florian et son père s'appelle Martha. Now here if you see, I have written a new word for you which we'll be learning about shortly in this chapter only. That is son. Son is an adjective, that is possessive adjective. Like my, hers, theirs, his. So these are the possessive words that we'll learn shortly. So la mère d'Ala s'appelle Florian et son père s'appelle Martha. So whenever you want to describe someone's name, you'll use s'appelle. Now, il y a combien de membres dans la famille d'Ala? We read the first line of the paragraph. It said 7 members. So now, how do we write this in a sentence in French? Il y a, as you know, this is a fixed expression for there is or there are. So there are 7 members, 7 membres dans la famille d'Ala. Comment s'appelle la sœur d'Ala? What is the name of Alan's sister? Décrivez-la, describe her. So he says, la sœur d'Ala s'appelle Céline. Elle est mince, and you can also add elle a 13. She's 13 years old. So that is how you will do the first question of this chapter. Now, question number 2. La frère d'Ala s'appelle Léo, c'est vrai. Les grands-parents d'Ala sont français, vrai. Ala a une petite famille, c'est faux. He has a huge family with 7 members in it. Sa mère a 40 ans, 40 ans, c'est vrai. Now, trouvez 4 adjectifs du texte. Find 4 adjectives from the text. I just underline them for you. Let's quickly revise. These were petit means small, grand means big, jolie means happy, beau means handsome, belle means beautiful, genteel means kind, and mince means thin. So you can write any 4 of these, and you should also try to learn them side by side. Now, cochez les bonnes réponses. Le nom d'Ala est. The surname of Alan is Hugo for the first answer. Leo est. What was it? Leo est genteel, the third option, because we are talking of a masculine that is singular. We'll take the third option here. So that is all about the 4 questions that followed the paragraph we just read. I'm going to end the video here and continue in the second part, the rest of the chapter. I hope you understood it and you were able to make out the different kinds of words used, adjectives, and how we call out someone's name, or how do we write their age, and how you will describe your own family. If possible, in the comment section, do describe your own family in 5 or 6 sentences. I'll be very happy. Thank you so much. We'll continue in the next part.